Welcome back. Now we've successfully deployed Jupyter. I'm actually still um, inside the master node, so just to double check that Jupyter is running. Let me exit the master node and show you what we need to do now to be able to access Jupyter via our browser. If you remember, we mentioned before that we don't have Cloudflare for DNS now, and we've declared or we've created this environment variable. We named it domain. Now we should be able, to use this domain to access Jupyter. But in order to be able to do that, we need to add one line to our etc host file, and this line looks like this. We need to tell it to create this mapping that whenever we give you this URL, notebook.phenomenal.local, so the phenomenal.local is the domain we created. Notebook, this comes from the scripts. We've got it already prepared for us. We can change that, look into the scripts and change that, but maybe if you prepared to say Jupyter instead of notebook, but that's not a big issue here, right? So just do that in your etc.host file, this 127.0.0.1 address. Save that. I've already done that. And then now you should be able to run Firefox. Okay, Firefox. I'm sorry, yep. Firefox, as you can see here. And then we can tell it notebook.phenomenal.local :8080. If you remember the port 8080 I mentioned in the beginning of this series, in the Vagrant file, hit enter, and we should be able to see Jupyter, and then provide the password. If you remember, I just used my first name, all in small case, Nuruddin, hit enter, and now Jupyter is up and running. Okay, so just move it to the right, perhaps create a new notebook, give it a name, maybe like my name. Try to, for example, import scikit-learn, and then just to make sure it's working, scikit-learn.version, and there you go. Right, so we've got it up and running, which is really cool. Everything is running on our virtual cluster. This is good stuff. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop here, and in the next video we're going to be seeing how we can deploy Galaxy. So thanks for watching, and please keep watching. The next video is going to be really interesting. Right, see you next time.